Hello, my name is Sandra Liliana Munoz. I am married. My husband is called Mauricio Marulanda. We have two kids. I am lives in Armenia. Um, I am studying enterprise administration. I am happy, very happy. In, in, in this day, I am tell about my last vacation in Bogota City. In my last vacation, I went to Bogota. I stayed here 5 days. I was with my daughter Sarah. I am beside my daughter. I don't pay hotel and food. Um, we went on several malls and also went in the shows. In February, the malls had many offers of clothes and shoes. We took advantage of making some purchase. My daughter was very happy. Um, in In Bogota City, the weather is cold. I recommend if you go to Bogota City, take umbrella, wear jacket, wear comfortable shoes, wear scarf, hats, or gloves. Don't get away from the group. If you don't know the place, your GPS, be careful because there are places where the people are not friendly. Take it easy because there are a lot of traffic. Um, in my daughter, she lives in Suba, in the condominium where my daughter is named um, Timonti too. And thank you.